Look at this too. Did I just wake you up, Chloe? Are you cuddling Ati? Good morning, guys. Welcome back sa ating channel. It is Sunday and it is selling day once again. What's the time lang? Do you know? 7? No, it's currently 6:41 in the morning. So, I'm very happy. Nakapark na kami dito. And, nito pa kami sa harapan. So, hindi masyadong malayo yung pagbubuhatan natin ng mga kung anik-anik natin. Ayan. So, maaga kami. However, hindi nag makeup si mami nyo, guys. Naglagay lang ako ng eyebrow. Tapos, yun na ang aking face ay ayan, bare face. Anyways, I just put like sunscreen para meron siyang dewy effect. Are you okay, Baba? So, nakikita namin yung iba. They're starting to bring their stuff inside now. Ayan. We'll wait for a little bit kasi, you know, at least 7. Or I think the coffee truck is opening there now lang. We can get hot chocolate. Are you done with the yogurt? Thank you, baby. So, kanina, plano ko pa sana kunin yung aking relo and ano pa ba yung kukunin ko from the bedroom. But, narinig ko na si baby Celine na umiiyak, guys. And I just refrained myself from, plus yung anak, going inside kasi alam ko it's going to be hard to get out again pag nakita niya ako. So, nung nasa labas kami, while I was getting Ate Paris ready, parang hindi siya parang bonggang iyak talaga. So, maybe Daddy Mike managed to like put her back to bed. Ating likuran ay punong-puno. So, is this one. Ayan, dala natin mga Burberry jackets kasi it's cold and hopefully someone will grab them. And some here. Ito bagong bili natin na plastic from where did we get this lang? Oh yeah, from the dollar shop. This is like smaller kaysa dito. So ito siya puno but hindi siya masyadong mabigat. This one punong-puno, sobrang bigat kasi mas malaki. Kasi as mentioned before, I tend to fill it up kapag may nakita akong space. Ito hindi na masarado. It's because of the hangers as well. Yeah. So ito, tingnan nyo yung ating paninda. Yes,
what was the stripes in the other shop?
Which one?
And we got a stripy bag at the other.
Oh yeah, the other shop. Yeah. So pasilip guys. We have this tweed jacket. Ayan, itong another ang tawag dito, houndstooth print pa yan siya. And then another blazer. Yeah, lots of blazers. I do have lots of blazers, guys. And then sa ilalim, mga dresses na siya. So, good luck to us today, Ate. How do you think we'll go today?
Good.
Good? Yeah, I think so too. Positive energy.
What is positive?
Like positive energy. Like good energy coming.
So Mama's doing the cards now. She's doing a really good job, but she's doing well. And there's not that much people here, so look. But it's okay, because we're here now, and it looks so beautiful dress. That's still 21, that's not on this side. I'll give you a little tour. And that looks amazing. So, see you later. So guys, we're going here and we're going back home. So last time I found this little flower and I need to give it a little hug. And there's a car over there. Mom's carrying lots of stuff. I'll see if we can go. Oh, there's no one here. And let me show you the plant. I'll come and show you. So come on. Here is the little green plant.
Okay, just go, Lord. Stop heavy. Come this way, Bobby.
See you next week, little girl. Okay, so let's start the car.
Taking parents and mommy. Alright guys, it is 12:30. Hinihingaw si mami niyo. Kakatapos ko lang ipasok lahat yung mga gamit natin sa sasakyan. Okay, so today overall there's less people than last Sunday because I sold one item na medyo mataas yung kanyang price. I'm happy kasi I didn't have to like worry kasi covered ko na yung rent sa stall natin. Alam niyo yun. So it's a good day. Good day. And we are booked again for next Sunday. So, oh my God, si mami niyo ay on the go. Benta pa more, guys.
Hi, I got some right now.
Go on your side na. Go on your side. Kumain na kami na Ate Paris kanina ng chicken and mayonnaise and cheese toasty. So I'm very happy we don't need to rush now to McDonald's. So we'll go home, guys, and later on we'll have to do some grocery shopping kasi tapos na yung 2 weeks na off na Ate Paris sa school holidays. So tomorrow back to school na siya. We need to get stuff like food and all that I need for the week. Oh my
Oh,
lord!
look what's happening to the rock.
Are you making a fire? Oh, I'm so hot. Meron akong sleeveless dito sa ilalim eh. I might take this off. Sobrang init. After carrying all those boxes, sinong hindi papawisan?
Exhausted.
Yeah. You excited to go back to school tomorrow, Paris?
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be so excited.
Susurprise namin sa Daisy. Hindi niya alam nandito na kami. Pinulungan ako may dali mag-Imovie ng mga gamit. Hello.
Mommy?
Who's home?
Surprise!
Who's home? It's Hello, baby. How are you? How are you, my baby girl? Ay, Josh. Oh, ako manis Louie, ah. How are you, my love? Oh, gosh. Ang bigat ng ulo ko, guys. But super happy we're home now. And we have 2 people coming para magtingin ng bags, guys. Oh my god, my head is so tight. Feels like so tight, guys. Ready ko na yung bag na pipick upin kasi she'll be home. I will show you here soon. This bag and then may isang bag din. But ano, different person naman yun. Oh, gets this bag. Goes well with my outfit. Super nice. Helen!
Yeah?
Where's Lainey lang? Stay there, Louie. Stay there.
Yeah. She's a little
Huh?
sad that she didn't.
Yeah, I'm gonna change her nappy. Nakaupo eh.
What?
Come on. Stay there, Louie. Stay there. Stay there. Louie! Stay there. Come on, take your socks, your shoes off.
Oh my god. He's actually up there.
Hey, good girl. Go. Up, we'll change your bum bum.
Huh?
Yeah.
Bum bum?
Come here, be the mama. What did you do this morning? What did you do this morning?
Have puppy?
Did you have coffee?
Huh?
Where did you go? Did you go Tommy's?
Thomas?
Did you go?
Thomas? Thomas! Thomas! Thomas!
1, 2, 3, go.
Thomas! Auntie's getting him.
Chamash.
Auntie's getting him. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, Mommy, Auntie.
Hmm? Ate, careful ka anak ha.
Ah!
Okay, put it in the bin.
Keep it up.
Yan ang ginagawa nila dito guys oh. Kaya minsan, I'm trying to rest. Yan sila, I'm back pa more. Anak, bantay bitaw na. Don't get hurt lang. Ha?
Say na 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 na, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Put your popo in the bin, Lin.
A few moments later.
Wakey, wakey, papa. It's now 4:20 ng hapon, guys. And si mami niyo, alam niyo ba, hindi ako nakapag-relax since umuwi kami. Kasi it's been really busy with the pickups. I'm very happy, guys. Bumuhos yung blessings today. Actually, always naman my blessings, guys. But I'm just saying na today, sobrang daming blessings. I'm very happy kasi, alam niyo yung blessings na dumadating kapag less expected. So, di ba sabi ko kanina may mag-pick up ng bag. So, the Vietnamese lady, she traveled far. When she came, at first, sabi niya, oh, that bag is too small for me. Sabi niya, she said, do you have any other bag? So, nagdala ako ng 5 piraso or 6 na pirasong bag sa baba. Pinakita ko sa kanya and she found one that she liked. And I was so surprised, guys, kasi hindi siya nanghingi ng discount. Like, surprise. Kasi normally, hello, baby. Mama is here. Normally, guys, especially kapag Vietnamese yung customer ko, always nanghingi ng discount. But siya hindi. She paid and then like she said thank you and then that's it. And then my other customer, malayo din yung dinrive niya. And she came here for one bag and she said, oh, I saw that you have lots of bags. Sabi ko, wala kasi akong showroom at the moment. That's my goal. That's in my vision board, guys. Gusto kong magkaroon ng showroom one day. But at the moment, I don't have that. And ayoko namang, for safety purposes, ayoko mapapasok ng... We were picking up something from Balimba. Yeah, ayoko papasok ng mga tao dito. So, kung may gusto lang tingnan, dinadala ko sa baba. And with that lady, guys, nagdala ako ng, I think, 6 choices.
Mommy, I'm tired.
Tired. Mama, Karo. Come on, Karo. Quick. And she ended up grabbing 3 bags. Very good price to. Parang 2 bag lang yung binayaran niya, tapos yung isang bag libre na lang. But for me, again guys, kapag kaya kong ibigay, binibigay ko. Especially kapag matagal na sa akin yung stock and gusto ko lang magpaubos, ganun. So, yeah. Yun, na ano na niya, Bumili siya ng 3 bag. Super.
Hey, where's Auntie Scummy?
We finished that. Oh no, I finished that long time ago. Ginigising ko lang tong isa kasi mahaba na naman yung niya. We're going to Bulimba kasi may pipick upin akong wall art kasi gusto kong mag-decorate din doon sa lounge room. Sa ibabaw ng TV gusto kong doon ilagay. And 4:30 yung usapan namin. Come to mommy. Come to mama. Siya tired. Did you wee? We'll change that na napi.
Oh, I'm tired.
And then mag-grocery shopping kami. And then so mamaya na ako mag-relax. Paggabi. Tired, baby. Oh, come to mama. We'll change the nappy. Okay, come here. Come here. We gotta go pick up something.
I'm tired.
Oh, you're tired.
Mommy, I'm going to bed.
No, I'm gonna be. I love you. Hello, prinsesa. Tignan niyo, alos kami naka-princess dress. Carrie? Come on, Carrie. Oh my goodness. Agoy, Lord. Hello! Say hi, guys! Binitbit ko na lang yung bag dito, guys, kasi sabi nung mag-pick up from 5 to 6. Sabi ko, kailangan namin umalis. But just in case ba, na pick upin niya at wala kami dito, sabihin ko na lang sa kami, na grocery kami. Multitasking. That's what we do here, guys. Multitasking. Alright. Oh, Lord.
Now, it's a clutch you.
That's a butcher.
Here is the bag.
Is it that and really long legs?
No, the butcher, wasn't it, Lainey?
I saw coffee. And Dada, I saw really long legs
Did you?
at the market.
Lainey had a butteridge on her face.
Really? When?
There's a spider in my lap.
Was it? Well, tell mummy where.
Oh, that's John.
Tell mummy where you.
It's just John.
Tell mummy where's your butteridge.
Is that John lang? Where did you see the butteridge? Where?
In my face.
In your face? Oh my goodness, that's scary. Alright, we'll
And
put
that
this
is
lady's
quite
address.
Oh, he's peeing. This is it. Dada, here's the
We're going to
bed.
pick upin namin, guys.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yes, John.
Huh? Ah.
Yes, John.
Yeah, nice.
Mama, he's the John.
This
Sit
John.
down. Sit
See you,
down.
Dom. Dito na tayo sa grocery, guys, market. Ito ba na yung ating pinick up? Ayan. Ba maganda. Bibili tayo ng tawag dito, yung pandikit sa likod nito para malagay na natin mamaya. So, si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mga kids, guys, ay nandun na sa loob ng halls. Naiwan ako dito kasi sinabi ko kanina na mag-pick up ng bag, diba? So, kakarating lang namin dito, guys, sa halls. Nag-message siya na nandun na siya sa labas ng bahay para pick upin. So, I had to drop it. So, yes. Naka-sale ba? Di, hanggang kailan no? Best before. Anong best before nito? Daw mo nakalagay. Yeah, best before. 8th of July. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow. Isa lang yung bilhin natin. Asan kaya yung mag-ama ko? Nandun sila.
trolley.
I didn't bring it here.
This is your trolley, mommy.
Oh, you need water. Ay, Ling! Stay there, my love. Stay there. Don't move.
We got Oreos.
Oh, you silly girl. Don't move. Just stay there because that's deeper. Lini!
Stay there, mommy's put this one away.
Guys, you won't believe this. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito kalaking strawberry. Parang in-injectionan nila ng hormones. Tingnan nyo. Over naman yan sa kalaki. Grabe. Tingnan my love. Tingnan nyo. Kahit ito nakita ko Tingnan my love. Ito, maliliit din siya. Kaya nga, love na love ko kasi maliliit ba. Masarap man siyang Ngayon, lumaki na sila. Hormones pa more. Ganyan yung mukha ng balon. Mama will make it eh.
Mom, but make it. You're almost making it.
How about I pull your nose?
Now. Balloon. I love you, I love you,
Hinihintay namin si Daddy Matt tsaka si Ate Paris dito kasi ayaw namin magdoble-doble. So, may binibili silang sa cereal daw sila. Grabe, sobrang laki talaga guys. Tingnan niyo Grabe. First time ko makikita ng ganito kalaki na pear. Tingnan niyo ang mga apples guys. Tingnan niyo. Daddy, how big are these? Oh, look at the apple. That's crazy. Look at the pear.
Are you gonna grab it?
See, ito yung mga apple. Did we get any apple? No?
How much are these ones?
What's this one? $5.50. No, I wanna get the thing, Bob. Lini, bantay ka karon.
I made it.
No, put it back, please.
Just leave it.
Just lick it ka karon. The pork. I wanna get the little one, the kids one from Woolies, because I like that better. It's small and sweet, you know. The apples, yeah. I'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't need it.
Come on, let's go na. So, we'll come back next time. Puno na. La. Bantay ka rin. Okay, Baba. That's Mama's old glasses. Thank you very much. Where did you find it?
From the office.
Oh, thank you, Baba. We're home, guys. Sobrang dami namin na family. Ang dami. Hindi ko na isa-isa yung pakita sa inyo. No, my love. You just had one packet of popcorn. You're not having this, okay? Daddy, listen to Celine.
Yeah, Mark.
Ay, itong batang to. Kumain ng popcorn. Bantay ka na. We're still having dinner, ha? Bumili tayo ng sabon. Ano to siya eh? Stain removal. They don't cry. Oh, Tita and Tito's watching, oh. They can hear you. They're like, why is Celine crying? Huh?
I made it so fast.
Ito yung mga kailangan natin sa paglalaba. Then, ayan, bumili ako nito.
I'm gonna talk to you.
Yeah, you're gonna have a tummy ache, Baba. Binili nating wall art. Ayan. Oh my God. Oh. Say hi, guys. Suzuki baby. It's okay. Not because you ate popcorn already, okay? We're not gonna have that anymore. Because we're gonna have roast pork for dinner. Yeah.
I'm popcorn. No.
Sa'yo. Nasa iyo mga bata.
What was in the box there?
1,000.
Mommy.
Is that?
Mommy.
6,
Mommy. Mommy.
8.
Mommy. I want that.
Parisya!
Yeah?
Dali!
Yeah?
Oh, it's the...
Yeah, Mama? Mama,
Careful
yeah?
with the couch lang. The couch is not in shape anymore lang. Sabi mo ay ako lamang. Sabi mo ay di iiwan. Grabe guys. Salamat talaga Lord. Namin na family. Mahal talaga yung blessings today. Very happy. Sa pagbaha ng blessings guys, I message ko agad yung aking mother dear. Sinendan ko siya ng niya, pang snacks niya. Ganyan kasi ako guys, kapag nakabenta ako, medyo marami-rami yung nabenta natin. Ako, nagpapadala ako kay mama ko, or sa sister ko. Yung pang snacks nila, yung pang ni mama ko doon. Pero, hindi naman sa pag may benta lang ako guys ha, nagbibigay kasi alam na natin yung mga pang school, mga konting pang bills doon, always naman yun. Pag may ako, nag-share talaga ako doon. Pero pag ganito, pag today, na may benta tayo, yun bang for no reason ba na pagpapadala? Kasi normally yung pagpapadala, ganito, hatiin para sa pang school or ganito, dagdag sa bills, ganyan. Pero today, I'm very happy kasi kahit konti ba, na kapasaya ko yung mama ko na, pang pang snacks mo dyan pick up palawan, di ba? Alam mo, very, mababaw lang yung kaligayahan ng mama ko guys. And you know what, sana, pag tumanda na rin ako, ay ganun din yung masunod ng mga anak ko guys. Hindi man sa ako talaga, padalhan niyo ako ng pera, ganun, hindi. Pero yun bang iniisip ako ng gusto kong yun din yung masunod ng mga anak ko guys. Palagi kong ini-instill sa kanila yun. Kasi ganun ako sa mama ko. So I'm hoping na yung mga anak ko din one day, pag may mga blessings, hindi natin makakalimutan. Kahit konti lang yan guys, it will bring happiness and it will make your parents smile. Pero ang rice is life, hindi talaga makalimutan. Hindi nakasale yung kanilang rice today ha. Normally half price, but yung 5 kilos, ito siya 2 kilos, yes na lang, ito yung binili. Meron pa akong rice dyan, pero basmati. Mas masarap kasi yung jasmine rice guys. If I have to live my life without you near me. Ayan, bumili ako nito kasi naka half price. Pampabango dito sa loob ng bahay. My days would all be empty. My nights would seem so cold. Kailan ko nang tanggalin ang aking contact lens kasi pang hindi ko na talaga kaya guys. Ang aking mata ay very uncomfortable na. Where shall we put this lang? Somewhere here. Meron na kami dito dalawa. Dito sa kusina. Tapos yung isa sa room. Lagay ko to sa lounge. Actually, lagay ko to dito sa bedroom. Kabila. What you doing, ate?
Bye. I'll miss the days we sang